Hello everyone. This topic is about merge cells, right? So these are all cells, right? You can see this is one, two, three, four, right? You can see the grids, it's visible, right? So let's say you want to merge cells. Okay, this is animal kingdom. All right, you have these names of animals where you can, select, you can right click, you will find this option, merge and center. Okay, and then you have the merge options in the ribbon as well, right? But now let's see. Okay, you select all these animals, you try merge and center, you get this message that merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discard other values, right? What it essentially mean is you do okay, it is only going to keep the upper left value, right? That was on the first cell on the left. Let's undo this, right? Control Z, right? We have the selection. Then let's try to do, merge cells. Now this will again only keep the upper left value and discard other values. You will only see cat. Okay, but this time you can see that it is not centered. Okay, if you recall the first option that we did, let's do a control Z. Let's do a right click this time. Okay, it will only keep the upper value, and you can see it is center aligned. Okay, based on the column, not based on rows, right? We do a control Z, again we do a merge cell. You will see that there is no central alignment, right? It sits on the bottom left corner. All right, now what is the use case, right? There could be a number of use cases where you would need these merge and unmerge cells, right? So one example we can go through is, let's say you have this title. Okay, let's consider this data set as animal kingdom, and we have a title at the top, right? And now what I want is, I want it to be, centered, right, sitting right at the top of the these animals, so that it looks good. So what I'll do is I'll select these 5 cells. Okay, and then let's do a merge and center, right? And you can see that the grids are gone. So now these 5 cells were merged into a single one, right? Similarly, we can do a control Z. Similarly, you can see these are 2 lines. Okay, and I don't want 2 lines, okay, above the animal names. So I'll do a merge center, and now everything is merged, right? And now if you want it to be, center aligned from row perspective as well, that is also doable. Okay, you have this option. Text alignment is already centered. Now you need to middle align it, right? Now if you give the table borders, it is going to look like this, right? You can also color fill it, right? Now you can see the difference.